Goldstein makes it easy to find a great deal in your next vehicle at Goldstein Subaru. New inventory arrives daily. New Subaru crossovers and SUVs, plus all new hybrids and all new electric vehicles. You'll find a great selection of select pre-owned and factory certified vehicles to choose from, with lifetime car washes and our lifetime limited powertrain warranty. A $3,000 value, both at no extra charge. Family owned since 1965. Find your next vehicle at Goldstein Subaru in Colony and at goldsteinauto.com.